Brothers, today I'm going to tell you a truth that's easy to hear, but can shake you to your core. The truth is, the world never values the person who demeans themselves. And the biggest mistake we make in love is belittling ourselves out of fear of losing someone. In our attempt to please someone and in our anxiety to hold on to their love, we degrade our own souls. We lose our inner strength. We even trample on our own self-respect. But sadly, even after doing all this, the relationship doesn't survive. Instead, the person drifts further away. Stoicism says that the more you cling to something, the more it slips through your fingers. And we make exactly this mistake in relationships. We try to hold on to the girl, the love, the relationship. But remember, relationships cannot be held on to. They must be earned. Respect cannot be held on to. It must be felt. You can't force a girl to stay close. A girl comes to you on her own when you become strong. And the purpose of this video is just one thing. Stop begging for love. Erase the weak man within you. And accept these 4 truths that transform an ordinary man into an extraordinary one. First truth, silence is not weakness, but strength. There are 2 meanings to your silence. One is being silent out of brokenness, and the other is a silence that comes from control. Girls quickly understand which kind of silence yours is. If you are silent out of fear, she understands that your backbone is weak. But if you choose to be silent, controlling your emotions, then your silence creates a deep void in her mind. Because when a man stops talking, that's when a woman starts thinking. Stoicism says that emotions make noise. Intelligence remains silent. Girls desire a man whose silence has depth, whose eyes show restraint, and who possesses a calm strength within. Second truth, bring the power back within yourself. The biggest mistake in relationships is that a man spends all his energy on one person, the energy that could have fulfilled his dreams, changed his financial situation, strengthened his body, is wasted trying to please one person. Girls are not attracted to men. They are attracted to a man's power. He whose strength is broken, his attraction is broken. Stoicism says, strength is your sacred asset. Spend it where you grow. The day you channel your energy inwards, your walk will change. Your face will glow, your voice will deepen, and a kind of calm fire will ignite within you. Women desire the man who has a purpose, who is busy, who is creating something, who is building his own world. Third truth, distance is not punishment, it's a mirror. Creating distance is not about punishing someone. Creating distance is about bringing the truth to light. Distance reveals whether they truly belong to you. If they are happy when you distance yourself, then they were already distant. But if your silence and absence make them restless, then there was a connection. Women fear most the day you stop chasing them, because then she thinks, have I truly lost something? Distance works only when you possess inner strength and calmness. Fourth truth, make self-respect non-negotiable. You can manage without money, without a perfect body, without beauty, but without self-respect, a man has no identity. Women are most attracted to the man who says, I can love, but I will not lose myself. Self-respect is not arrogance. It means I will not lower myself under any circumstances. This is why men with self-respect become rare, and no one wants to lose something rare. Brother, stop begging for love. Don't let your worth depend on someone's mood. Be silent, but not broken. Stay distant, but not out of fear. Spend your energy, but on yourself. Maintain your self-respect, even if it means being alone. The day you stop begging, people will start missing you. Your value will increase, and the woman will return to you on her own, because you have finally found yourself. Friends, if this video has opened your eyes even a little, remember, change yourself, increase your value, and never cheapen your self-respect and love. The strength within you is your greatest weapon. Like the video, share your thoughts in the comments, and join the Victory Voice family, because here, we talk about your strength, your growth, and your awakening. We'll talk again in the next video. Stay strong, stay with the Victory Voice.